Nanox Extra Hard Training Wax was designed exclusively for those who do high volume and repetition on hard snow surfaces. Here's how simple it is to apply. Rub a thin layer of Nanox Extra Hard Training Wax onto your cleaned and prepped base so it disperses easier when your hot iron contacts it. Once your iron reaches the correct temperature of 150 to 160 degrees Celsius, wipe off all the old wax with a clean towel. Then drip a bead of wax close to each edge, all along the high wear areas, and fill in the center section. Start at the tip of your ski on the first pass and evenly melt the wax into your base, moving the iron in overlapping sections like this to ensure you have full base coverage. On your second pass, you'll go from the tail of the ski back to the tip at a slow and steady speed without stopping. And then on your third and final pass, you'll return slowly back to the tail. Notice the 5 to 10 centimeter trail of melted wax behind your iron. With Nanox wax, only 3 passes are required for optimal results. Note that more passes will not allow Nanox to penetrate better or improve performance. Another unique feature is that you're going to remove Nanox wax within approximately 2 minutes or while it's still lukewarm. It should be noted that this is about the exact amount of time it'll take to wax your other ski, which means you can already start scraping your first ski right when you're finished waxing your second ski. This sets Nanox apart from any other waxes in the industry, making it unbelievably fast to get the job done. Placing both thumbs and forefingers on your scraper, slide forward with even pressure from tip to tail. Once the majority of the wax is out of the base, decrease the angle of your scraper, which decreases the sharpness, and take a few more light passes if necessary. Remove the wax from your edges with either the notch or the end of your scraper. If needed, put your ski on its side to remove the wax from the sidewall with either your scraper or Fibertex. And while the ski is still warm to touch, brush only with your hard nylon oval. If you prefer your hard nylon roto brush, set it at a maximum of 1000 RPMs and apply low pressure, ensuring the roto is running flat on the base. Rebrush with your hard nylon after the base has reached room temperature. Polish vigorously back and forth until you've achieved an ultra-high sheen on the base. If desired, take 1 to 2 passes with your soft nylon brush to remove any remaining wax dust. Last of all, use 2 to 3 straps to transport your skis and protect your bases.